Hi, we're launching a new batch towards the upcoming NEET MDS 2022 from April 1st, 2021. So those who have completed their final exams very recently, and I suppose your results are out. So this is the right time for you to start your preparation towards the upcoming entrance. So you can check out our schedule, plan of action, various resources which we are offering towards preparation, including e-classes, test series, study club discussions, assignments, key points, debate sessions, and so on. All you need to do is just drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com for all relevant details, or you can even check our website ptbdacademy.com. I'm going to tell you something. Listen to it very carefully and let me know how it sounds. 250 days to NEET MDS 2022. That's it. So how does it sound? Fantastic? Or is it the worst thing you've heard in the recent days? So how you perceive this solely depends on the most important factor in one's preparation, that is attitude. Your attitude towards preparation makes all the difference. Yes, of course, we need to work hard. We need to work consistently. We need to believe in ourselves. But if we're doing all of these things and simultaneously worrying about the end result, which depends on our attitude, don't you think we're going to fail no matter what the task is? So what's really important here? It's very simple, yet very effective. That is one's attitude. Attitude towards the task at hand, attitude towards entrance in this particular context. So the moment you heard those words, how did you feel? So that reflects your attitude to a greater extent. One of the most common reasons why most of the aspirants fail is because of worry. Worry comes out of your visualization of the end result as a failure. So you assume that you're going to fail. So you're visualizing the end result as a failure, which in turn gives you tremendous bouts of worry, demotivation, negativity, panic attacks, and so on and so forth. If you could visualize the end result as success, as a positive, then you would experience quite the opposite feelings to that of worry, that is enthusiasm, excitement, and a feeling of satisfaction the moment you keep working towards that particular task or goal or objective. So it's all about one's attitude towards the task at hand. It's all about your attitude towards the entrance. To have the right attitude, and of course, success is all yours. And that's what PTBD Academy is all about. Instilling right attitudes in the minds of aspirants right from day one. And I really hope that the courses which we are offering, along with the motivation which we provide on consistent basis throughout your preparation journey, will help you in fulfilling all your goals and dreams. So wish you all the best, love you all, and for any further queries or clarifications, feel free to get back through mail 24/7. Take care.